Welcome back to a new video, guys. I'm here in Coimbatore to do something interesting. So I came here day before yesterday, and if you want to know what I did yesterday, you'll have to wait for the next video that will be dropping. So make sure you're subscribed. Talking about today, we're going to go around the city and see some places. If possible, do something adventurous. Talking about food, I've already had my breakfast at Hotel RHR and it was wonderful and filling. Talking about yesterday, I did something very interesting that is surely linked to what I'm going to do tomorrow. There's going to be another video based on tomorrow that will be dropping soon. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel to check out what that is. So after skipping one of the stops, I have reached here. This place is called as Off-Road Adventures, and this is the reason why it is called as Off-Road Adventures. We have ATV rides right from kids to the adults. So let's see how the track is. I'll get a helmet and see you on the ATV.
This is the brake. This is the accelerator. Okay? Don't use the gear. That on the top. Go straight, slow, then down. Okay? Top, then down. Okay? Turn, just hold, then move.
Okay.
Don't lose. Fully tight. Okay?
Okay. Brake like all four.
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
Brake release.
that was it. Whenever you are in Coimbatore, make sure you find some time and visit this place. This is called as Off-Road Adventures, and the track is quite good. Vehicles are well maintained and it is really fun to ride here. I came here 9 years before. It was fun then and it is equally fun now. Wonderful place here. There is a kids track over there, and then you have some other activities like paintball and all. Fast, no?
Yeah.